Welcome to Org Setup within Salesforce. In this video, we'll dive deep into the org setup and customizations. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session. Create custom objects and their tabs. After that, we also learn how to create custom fields and save any record for that object. First, navigate to the Object Manager tab. Once there, click on Create and select Custom Object. In the new Custom Object page, it's time to give our object a name. Fill in the label and the plural version. If the label starts with a vowel, don't forget to check starts with a vowel sound. You also have some optional features you can add. Feel free to tick those if you want. Once you're ready, hit Save. Great, your new custom object is now created. Take note of the API name, which includes a suffix of 2 underscores followed by a lowercase c. Go to the Quick Find box and search for tab. Click on Tabs and the Custom Object Tabs list will open. Click on New to create a new tab. Choose the desired object name and click on the Tab Style panel. Select any icon you want, then click on Next. Add your desired profiles and click Next. Add it to the custom apps you want your tab in, then click Save. Your tab is now in the list. Now let's add some fields to our custom object. Click on Fields and Relationships and then New Field. Let's start with a date data type field. Click on Date, select Next, and name your field label and field name. Click Next again. You can make it visible for all profiles by clicking Next and then Save. The first step is to navigate to the object for which you want to create a new record. In our case, we're working with event registrations. Look for the New button. This is the button that will allow us to initiate the process of creating a new record. Click on New to get started. Now you'll be presented with a form where you can input all the necessary information. Make sure to fill in all the required fields. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save your new record. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll find the Save button. Click on Save to store the information you've entered. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.